Ground teams, this is Control. Need a status update from Turtle Bay. Control, our APC is under attack by demons.
Reckon I'll help the guys who didn't blow up City Hall.
啥？他的威胁更大。
Hey, I'm not with those guys, but I'm still gonna kick your butts. Glad I was here. Demons were gonna overwhelm those Sable agents. Just backing you up, sport. Beautiful.
Now reports are coming in that Martin Lee, along with exhibiting freakish abilities like those of...
He's corrupted. Gotta go easy on him. Nice. I need to take him down fast. So close to perfection. I know you. You were on my neighbor's porch for Halloween.
The name's Taskmaster, and you're about to get taken to school. I have a photo-reflexive memory. Anything I see you do, I can do.
Impressed?
A gun-toting Didn't saw that coming.
How are you blocking so much?
I told you, I know everything you're gonna do.
When are you gonna figure out this isn't working?
It's working great for me. I pick up more of your moves every time.
The cover band's never as good as the original. Hey!
Still got tricks up your sleeve, huh? Guess I need more data before I can fulfill my contract.
Here's all the data I need. I beat you, you ran away. Conclusion, you lose.
Not yet. You'll find other challenges around the city. Once I've seen what you can do, we'll talk about round 2.
I try so hard to be likable. Why does everyone always want to fight me? Love it.
The Devil's Breath is gone, but we got even bigger problems.
Rikers?
We have to hurry. Hop on.
What happened?
It was a coordinated attack. Must have been planned from the outside. Every cell block is breached. We're minutes away from every prisoner and Rikers walking right up 5th Avenue.
What about the raft?
Should be okay. It's a Supermax facility. Better security and a separate power grid.
Good. What about the Devil's Breath?
Sable's handling it.
Do you trust them?
Do I have a choice?
Uh-oh. Should've worn your seatbelt.
Take him out! Hurry!
I'm on it. Spider-Man!
Attention all COs. In-section lockdown procedure. Let's take them. All inmates return to your cells. Repeat, return to your cells. This is your last warning.
I think you guys need a little more plan in your escape plan.
Damn it! They got into the armory.
Is that bad? That sounds bad.
It means some of the inmates are armed with rocket launchers.
Yeah, that's bad. I'm on it.
Abandon station. Repeat, abandon station. Get the hell off the island.
If you guys go back to your cells and behave, we can forget this ever happened.
Try that web big.
Nice. I still see a few more out beyond.
Who thought it was a good idea to bring rockets into a prison?
Come in. This is Sergeant Hanson. Anyone on this channel?
This is Captain Watanabe. Where are you?
Electrical access. Rooftop near cell block D. Trying to restore power. That you in the chopper?
Affirmative. What happened here?
No idea. Since the power went out, then all hell broke loose.
Hold tight. We'll get to you as soon as we can. Spider-Man, can you get to that rooftop? There's an officer calling for help up there.
On my way.
Stay on your feet, you lady.
Someone's trapped behind that door.
lost everybody! They're attacking my car!
Help the warden! I'll keep working on getting the power restored!
Right, I'm on it.
Hey! Warden! Come on out! You know how to feel! No, Kurt! Heads up! One guy! I've got to take them all out! It's over for you! Look out!
Could this get any worse?
It can always get worse.
Attention staff! A block is compromised! Get out of there, guys!
Like a freaking acrobat! This is fire! Watch out for that web jump!
Good work. Just a few left.
Not Jake!
Just a couple more. They're stealing a chopper.
License and registration, please.
Okay, looks like things are somewhat under control.
I thought you said the raft was secure.
It was. Let's go. Maybe it's not as bad as it looks.
Love the optimism. But in my experience, when it looks bad, it's usually worse. Look out! Yuri!
I'm slipping!
Gotcha. Hold on! You okay?
Yeah.
Welcome to the party! Just in time for the fire! Looks like we made parole, boys!
Electro? Why is he letting everyone out?
I'll head for the main control center and see how bad the situation is.
Got it. I'll go join the party. Everyone just quietly go back into your cell and lock the door behind you, okay? Please?
I'm gonna take you, fighter! Let me show you what I got! Eat this! Come on! Don't let him beat us! What's he doing? The hell?
That doesn't sound good. Oh, hi, Rhino!
Hope you like surprise, Spider!
surprise. What is he talking about?
Unexpected power surge detected. Incident response team required. Power failure.
Hey, what's your status?
Me? Just trapped in a prison with every criminal I put away in the last 8
This is too good to be true.
Scorpion, can you hold on a minute? I was in the middle of a phone call and it was business.
What's he doing? Got a death wish?
I lost you for a second there. You okay?
Not really. Electro, Rhino, and now Scorpion are all on the loose. What's going on in the rest of the prison?
Camera system's almost up. I'll give you a sit rep soon.
Okay, I'll keep tracking Electro.
Watch out! Out of your league!
Whoa! Come on, Spider-Man. I thought this was a chase.
Gotta stop this guy.
Can't stop me! But I'm flattered that you still try!
You tell me who you're working for, I'll go easy on you.
Try!
Nobody ever takes me up on that offer.
Gotcha.
Vulture!
Long time no see! We're going to have so much fun!
Sorry, no time to talk.
Still with me, huh?
Okay, I got the security cameras back online.
How's it look?
Well, it looks like the entire population of the raft has escaped, including Martin Lee. That makes 5 of your worst enemies that are now on the loose.
For a second there, I thought you were serious.
I am serious. I have to go. Some of them are heading into the city.
Keep chasing! Party's almost over!
Electro, stop!
How do you like my new suit?
Dashing. Where'd you get it?
It's an exclusive club.
Remember, he said not to kill him.
Good idea. In fact, we don't have to do this at all if you don't want to.
We definitely want to.
First and final warning. Stay out of our way.
Each of you has a job to do. Your debts will be repaid when we're done. Go!
There he is!
All these years. All these lies. It's over, Norman. Time to give them the truth.
On the bioterror attack. As of this hour, the number of infected civilians is approaching half a million.
Fine.
There is still
Can
no
you,
update from the NBC
can you
on
pass
the
those
timetable
out for me?
enhanced
Sure.
tests, but they are working around the clock on a cure for this deadly disease. The citywide quarantine is being heavily enforced by Sable International, who maintain tight security over all transit points. Throughout the city, police and Sable agents continue to battle with Rikers and Raft escapees. Meanwhile, Mayor Osborn has gone on record blaming Spider-Man for the prison break and citywide sickness, and branding him a fugitive. But he has yet to provide evidence. And many believe the mayor is just deflecting blame, since an exclusive report by the Bugle revealed that this disease originated in a secret, unregulated Oscorp laboratory here in Manhattan. Mayor Osborn insists that Oscorp
Turn
is
it
working
off!
with the NDC on an anti-serum, but has not provided any further evidence to support this claim.
Dr. Octavius. Why? How did I let this happen?
Just got a call from the hospital. They said you went AWOL.
I need to get back to work.
The doctor said you still have 14 broken bones.
Which means I have 192 non-broken ones. Thanks for taking care of me, by the way.
The hard part was keeping you hidden from Sables. They've branded you a priority target, you know.
I humbly accept the honor. What is happening to our city, Yuri?
I don't know. Feels like the end of the world. Maybe it is.
I'm here to help.
Good. There's gangs of escaped prisoners banding together and taking over entire city blocks. Looting, strong-arming local residents, you name it.
I'll take care of him. What else you got?
The mayor told Silver Sable to do whatever it takes to find Lee and Octavius. So she's just rounding people up indiscriminately, holding them captive in bases around the city. I've even heard rumors of enhanced interrogation tactics.
You mean torture? Don't worry. I'm on it. This is our city, Yuri. It's time we take it back.
Great. My men are tracking the supervillains. I'll update you when we make progress. For now, do your best to stabilize the city.
Do not approach barricades at the entrance to bridges or tunnels. Guards will fire upon
All units, officers needed to subdue a riot. Location is Lower Chinatown.
Come on, guys! Escape from prison, and that's the best thing you can think of. Let me take a wild guess. You were in for arson? Don't let him take you out!
Gonna feel this!
What the hell?
Come on! We'll get him!
City's falling apart. I've got to put a stop to Lee and Otto fast.
Peter, I've been trying to reach you all day. Are you okay? The prison break turned the city upside down overnight.
I'm fine, May. Staying safe. I'm more worried about you.
Oh no, don't you do that. Feast is the safest place in the city right now. Our sister locations uptown, not so much. But we're safe and secure down here.
Let's hope it stays that way. I'll stop by when I can, May. Love you.
You too, Peter.
Fugitives in multiple vehicles are causing a major disturbance. Report came in from Seaport.
We own this town. The hell was that?
Time. Yuri, I ran across some Rikers inmates. They've built a fort. Way better than the ones I used to make out of sofa pillows.
I just had a patrol car call. They tried to step in, but there were too many. And we don't have the manpower for reinforcements.
Lucky for you, you've got Spider-Man power. Not bad, huh? I should have gone into advertising. Sleep it off. I literally didn't see that coming.
You there? Rossy's not answering. Someone see what's up. Keep your pants on.
That was no.
Shh.
Wouldn't mind it.
Must have been nothing. Spider-Man! Kill his ass! What the hell? Let me show you what I got! Fight him in the air! This is hard city now!
Reinforcements. Okay, sure. I don't need sleep.
No one's gonna lock me up again!
More inmates. I'm starting to feel weird being the only one not wearing orange.
Spider-Man, I've spoken to people on the block who say the escapees tried to break into their buildings.
Fits with what I heard. They want to take one over.
They'll be a lot easier to deal with on the street, without hostages.
I'm working on it. Talk to you soon.
Don't lose him!
Sorry, no entry during the performance.
Ellie, get up! Come on, get up! Watch out! Gotta ground him! You're smart, you'll run! Let me show you what I got! What is that? How you like this?
Okay, you guys are really late. I'm afraid there'll be a no-show fee.
No one's gonna lock me up again! Stop! I ain't done it, it's over! Watch out! Say your prayers! Don't let him take you out! Run around him!
The siege of Manhattan Fortress is over, milady.
Thanks. I'll send some buses to take those guys back to their cells. And please don't call me Milady ever again. Spider-Man, the Raft MVPs are back on the grid, laying siege to our police precincts. My men need your help, now. Get to a vantage point in Midtown and I'll explain.
On my way. Is it Octavius?
No, 2 of his flunkies, still searching for the doctor. I have to be honest, that one scares me. Might be the smartest supervillain I've ever encountered.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Hold tight, Captain.
Attention units, civilians are trapped following a car crash. Reported